I didn't realize this until I had kids of my own. Your father is just a chapter in your life. But to him, you're the entire book.
Today's little adventure, wandering through Lowe's, hunting for the perfect decorative stone and a few flowers for my project. Funny thing is, I never understood the hype. I'd see people, especially women, light up when talking about their gardens. And I think it's just plants. But then I started planning my own. Somewhere between comparing colors, touching petals, and imagining how everything will look once it's planted. Something shifted. I felt myself slow down, breathe deeper, enjoy the moment instead of rushing through it. There's something grounding about choosing beauty on purpose. Something calming about getting your hands a little dirty. It's like reclaiming a small piece of joy I didn't realize I'd misplaced. This project isn't just about stones and flowers anymore. It's about finding quiet, meaningful moments in the middle of a busy life and letting myself enjoy them. One small step, one small bloom at a time. Thank you for watching. Till the next one.